Hello, my name is Tari. Today is the 14th of September 2022. I'm here to share what I learned in our Mass Indoctrination Day 6, held on the 12th of September via Zoom, where we learned that if anyone sins, that we should not mock him, but we should pray one for another. That is, if the person commits a sin that is not unto death, we should rather than mock him, pray for him. And that confession is not to be made to the priest, to the pastors, or to anyone apart from God and the one that we sin against. So first, confession should be made to God, and then to the person that we sin against, because the Bible records that those that cover their sin shall not prosper, according to Proverbs chapter 28 and in verse 13. James chapter 5 verse 16 tells us to confess our sins one to another and pray one for another, that the effective fervent prayer of a righteous man avail much. So if a righteous man is the one praying, God will listen to him. We also learned that the house of God is not a physical structure of blocks and wood, but the church of God, and the Spirit of the Lord does not dwell in a physical house built by man, but in our bodies, which is the temple of God. If anyone is afflicted, he should not consider God to be wicked, but rather should consider his sins and then acknowledge and pray that God would have mercy on him. We see that Elijah was a man subject to like passion like us. When he prayed, there was no rain for 3.5 years. And he prayed again and there was rain, because he was righteous before God. Isaiah chapter 65 verse 24 tells us that before they call, I will answer, and while they are yet speaking, I will hear. Talking about the righteous men. So we should endeavor to confess our sin and forsake them and be righteous before God, so that God will hear our prayers. Thanks be to God.